just in, Presidential Tribunal slams Inec for opposing Obi's move to tender electoral documents from Rivers. The lawyer representing the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), Oluwakemi Pinheiro San, on Friday, tried creating a scene before the Presidential Election Petition Court sitting in Abuja when presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, rendered supplementary INEC forms EC8As from Rivers State as exhibits. But he was called to order by the presiding judges. Obi's legal team, represented by Peter Afuba-San, had told the five-man panel of the court, led by Justice Haruna Samani, that he wanted to begin today's proceedings by tendering to the supplementary CTCs of INEC forms EC8As for Rivers and Niger states before tendering the electoral materials in 6 states for today, namely Adamawa, Bayelsa, Oyo, Edo, Lagos, and Akwa Ibom. From the pre-hearing report of the court, parties earlier agreed, and the court subsequently directed, that lawyers will only object or oppose the tendering of any CTC of INEC documents, but will reserve citing reasons for their objections till their written final addresses. When Afuba was done, Pinheiro stood up and objected to the tendering of the electoral materials. He now went on to criticize in open court the INEC forms EC8As from Rivers State, saying these documents are strange. But Justice Haruna Samani quickly interjected and asked why he was advancing his reasons for objecting when it had been ordered by the court that the reasons for opposing tendering of INEC certified documents should be advanced in the written address of lawyers, not at the point of tendering from the bar. Respect the rule of court, Justice Haruna Samani told him, but Pinheiro went on by saying that it has been taken to the media that we are objecting our own documents. The panel moved away from him and asked Yusuf Ali San, the legal representation for the APC, his position of the supplementary electoral materials from Rivers State. Ali also objected to it, but said he would advance the reasons in his final address before final judgment, as directed by the court. The court subsequently admitted the remaining INEC forms EC8As from Rivers State as Obi exhibits. Early this week, Obi's team told newsmen after court session that INEC's objection to its own documents were shocking. INEC lawyers have refused speaking to the press since the PEPC commenced full hearing. Tinubu and APC legal team had also informed the court that all of its lawyers are banned from addressing journalists on the petitions. At the ongoing proceedings, Afuba successfully tendered the supplementary INEC EC8As forms from Niger, forms EC8As from Adamawa, 21 LGAs, Bayelsa, 8 LGAs, Oyo, Edo states, despite the objections from the respondents. The Whistler reports that Obi's legal team presented one witness on Monday while tendering 5 documents as evidence, including a United States District Court judgment on Tinubu's forfeiture of $460,000 allegedly linked to drug trafficking, despite objections from the Independent National Electoral Commission. Other Inec forms EC8As tendered by Obi during previous proceedings include Inec Form EC8As for Benue and Cross River states. Obi is challenging the outcome of the presidential election in 18 states and over 18,000 polling units. As one person reacted to this, they said, Peter Obi will win this court case free and fair. God in heaven is on our side. The light that darkness cannot comprehend is shining and will continue to shine. Why objecting if you conduct free and fair election and the documents are from you? Wow. INEC and APC are criminals. They know what they did during election. What is hard to understand is how a document that can have their source and due certification from INEC could be objected to by the same INEC. I have great regards for Oluwakemi Pinheiro-san. The position of the learned Sikh as he touched his objection to the INEC certified documents, nonetheless, leaves much to be desired. It is not only repulsive to good reasoning, but also repugnant to conscience. Even non-lawyers know that one cannot approbate and reprobate simultaneously, as the learned senior advocate of Nigeria has sought to do via his objection to INEC's own certified true copy of documents from the institution. Mr. Peter Obi, I was an INEC presiding officer during the presidential election, and I knew how people massively and angrily voted for you. But kindly go to your knees and cry to God to fight for you. Wow. I hope the judges who are in charge of the case will be free and fair in their judgments without any hindrances from above, and that to be for the interest of the country. Well, make sure to leave your opinions about this in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to share this video with your friends so that